Good morning, student. Today we will discuss about leadership. Leadership, it is the quality of an individual to influence other people to cooperate toward the achievement of some common goal. Okay, leadership. Leadership is the quality of an individual to influence other people to cooperate towards the achievement of some common goals. Okay, this is about the leadership. Leadership, it is the quality of an individual. Leadership is the quality of an individual to influence other people, to motivate other people to cooperate towards the achievement of some common goal. Leadership, it is a social quality which is found among every people of various age, sex, members of different race and various culture, etc. It is found among every person, and the leaders means to lead others. Leaders means to lead others. Okay, leaders means to lead others or to direct others. For a good leadership, three things are required. Okay, for good leadership, three things are required. Good leader who can lead his group. Good follower who can follow his leaders, and a common purpose. These three things are required for a good leadership. So, for a good leadership, three basic things are required. Good leaders who can lead his group. Good followers who follow his group, who follow his leaders. Without the cooperation of his follower, no leaders can retain his positions and have success. Therefore, the follower should follow his leaders and a common purpose, and there should be a common purpose for which they will work to achieve it. Okay, so this is about the leadership. Leadership, it is the ability of an individual to influence other people to cooperate towards the achievement of some common goal. Leadership, there are two kinds of leaders. First is professional leaders. And second is democratic administrators or manager, they earn the quality. They okay, professional leaders, they earn the quality of leadership. They earn the quality of leadership by becoming professors, teachers, managers, administrators, etc. And democratic leaders are those leaders which are chosen by the people. They are the chosen by people. Okay, we choose. They are chosen by the people. For example, political leaders, etc. Democratic leaders, it is of two leaders, mature leaders, and second is mature leaders. These are the two types of democratic leaders. Democratic leaders are chosen by us. We choose this democratic leaders. Okay, it is of two types: mature leaders and immature leaders. Mature leaders like political leaders, and immature leaders are those leaders which are volunteer service, like student leaders, game leaders, sports captain, etc. This is about the leadership. Leadership, it is the quality of an individual to influence other people to cooperate towards the achievement of some common goal. There are two types of leaders: professional leaders and democratic leaders. Professional leaders, they earn the quality of leadership by becoming a professor, teachers, administrators, etc. And democratic leaders are those leaders which are chosen by us. We choose these democratic leaders. It is of two types: mature leaders and immature leaders. Mature leaders like political leaders, and immature leaders like sports captain, house captain, student leaders, etc. Next is quality of leaders. Qualities of What are the qualities of leaders? First is loyal. The leaders must be loyal toward his group members. He must be sincere, etc. Okay, the first is loyal. The leaders should be loyal. Enthusiasm, endurance, engaging personality, adjustment, ability, to coordinate others, ability to coordinate, okay, ability to coordinate activity. You should have the ability to coordinate the activity. Discipline, the leaders should be disciplined, dutifulness, dependability, desire to help others, desire to help others, etc. And E means the leaders should be energetic. The leaders should be energetic. R means reliable. The leaders should be reliable. Right thinking, right thinking, right judgment, responsible, okay, right thinking, right judgment, responsible. As the leaders should be sincere, sympathetic. They should have sympathetic attitude with others, self-control, he should have ability to control himself, social ability, sacrifice, etc. H means help, honesty, I, the leaders should be intelligent, impartial. He should be intelligent, impartial. P means patient. Personality, okay, patient, personality, physical skill, public relation, you should have good public relation, etc. These are the some quality of leadership. Okay, the first is loyalty. The leader should be loyal toward his group members and encourage others to do the same. E adjustment. He should have ability to adjust with his group members. He should have ability to coordinate his activity, etc. D means discipline. The leaders should be disciplined. Okay, and the leaders should be disciplined and inspire others also to be disciplined. It should be dutifulness, dependability, desire to help others. E means energetic. The leaders should be energetic. R, reliable. The leaders should be reliable. Right thinking. He should always think right. He should have ability for the right judgment. He should be responsible. S means sincere. The leaders should be sincere. He should have sympathetic attitude. He should have able to control. E, emotionally strong. Emotionally strong. Sacrifice. The leaders have to sacrifice many things. So he should have ability to sacrifice for his group. Help. The help of the leaders should be good. It should be honest. Intelligence. Impartial. P means patient. Personality. The leaders should have good personality. They should have good physical skill. And public relationship. These are the quality of a leadership. Okay, leaders means ability of a person to lead his group. So, first, academically sound. The leaders should be well qualified. Okay, the leaders should be well qualified. He should have good commanding and should have good experience to lead his group. He should have expert. He should have sufficient knowledge about his subject. Whatever, if he is the leaders of football, then he should have full knowledge about the football. He should have sufficient knowledge about his subject and have efficient experience, good commanding power. He should understand the need of his group members, etc. Good personality. The personality of a leader should be good. He should be handsome, attractive. He should be fit and healthy. Good moral characters. The characters of a leader should be good. And his behavior should be good and example for others. Intelligent, the leader should be intelligence. He should be intelligence, creative. Self-discipline, the leader should be self-disciplined. He should be dutiful, regularity, punctual. Adjustment, politeness, patient. He should have tolerance, ability, and also inspire his group members to be the same. Determination, the leader should have determinations towards his group. Inculcate friendship. The leaders should inculcate friendship in his group members. He should inculcate. The leaders should encourage cooperation, team spirit, brotherhoodness, and inspire others to do the same. Master of physical skill, the leaders should be able to demonstrate as well as explain the physical skill to his group. And next is expressive. The leaders should be able to express his idea. He should be able to express his idea, thought, etc. Example for others, the leaders should be an example for others, example for everybody. And impartial, the leaders should be impartial toward his followers, toward his group, and should justify his group and support every member. leaders. The first is group representation. Group the leaders represent his group. Okay, he expressed the thought, idea, etc. of his group members, and also take the decision on behalf of his group. Okay, the leaders represent his group, represent the thought, idea of his group, and also take the decision on behalf of his group. Next is reduce stress. Reduce stress. The leaders help to reduce the stress of the teachers, coaches, etc. He helps to reduce the stress. He helps to maintain the discipline. He had to reduce, by which the teachers, coaches get more time to teach. Better discipline. The leaders help to maintain discipline in his group. Okay, the leaders help to maintain discipline in the group. Develop socialization. The leaders help to develop social quality in his social qualities among his team members and encourage. Okay, the leaders have to develop social quality in his team members, like he had to develop adjustment, cooperation, togetherness, friendship, etc. This type of social qualities he had to develop in his group members. Inspire others. Inspire. The leaders inspire others. The leaders encourage and inspire his others to perform better. They motivate, he encourage, okay, they motivate, encourage his follower to give his 100% to do better. Close relation. The leaders has a close relationship with his group members as well as teachers. Okay, a student leaders have a close relationship with his group members. Therefore, he understands the needs of his followers. Good medium to convey. Good medium to convey. Leaders act as a good medium to convey the message of his followers, message of his group to the teachers, and the teachers' message to his followers. Okay, good medium to convey between the student and the teachers, which help in better understanding. Provide recognition. The leaders give identity to his group members. Okay, good leadership provide recognitions of group in the society. His group become famous in the society and impress everyone. Improve coordination. Leaders helps to improve the coordinations among his group members. He had to maintain the coordinations in his group members, between his followers, etc. These are the role of a leaders. Okay, he represent his group. Take the idea, opportunity to direct, reduce stress, tension of the teachers, schools, help to maintain discipline, etc. These are the